Hair loss isn't just physical. It can change how you feel about yourself every single day. Whether it's from chemotherapy, alopecia, or another medical condition, you deserve to still feel like you. At Shar's Hair Wig Boutique, we specialize in medical wigs designed to restore confidence, comfort, and identity. These aren't just wigs. They're cranial prostheses, carefully fitted to look natural and feel comfortable, even for sensitive scalps. With private one-on-one fittings, our team helps you find the right style, the right color, and the perfect fit, so you can feel like yourself again. And in many cases, insurance may cover most or even all of the cost. For over 14 years, we've helped women across Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan walk out feeling confident, seen, and whole again. Visit us at 8330 Nab Road, Suite 130, Indianapolis, or call 317-652-6300 to schedule your private fitting today. Shar's Hair Wig Boutique. Feel like yourself again.